Did you know you can set your own charging sound on your iPhone? Imagine plugging in your phone and hearing any sound you want. Method 1. Text-to-speech sound. First, let's try the easiest method, making your iPhone say anything you want when you plug it in.
TechSimplify.
For this, open the Shortcuts app on your device. Next, at the bottom, click on the automation icon. Now, tap on New Automation. Here, scroll and look for the Charger option, then click on it. After that, select the Run Immediately option. Now at the top right, click on Next. Next, tap on the Speak Text. Then, click on Text and enter your preferred information. After that, at the top right corner, click on Done to confirm. From now on, whenever you connect to the charger, you will listen to the given text.
TechSimplify.
Method 2. Use any custom sound. Want to use your favorite notification sound or any audio clip as your charging sound? Here's how. Search the notification sounds and make sure you have downloaded them. Now, in the automation page, tap on New Automation. Next, scroll and click on Charger. After that, select the Run Immediately and tap on Next. Here, tap on the new blank automation block. Now, in the search bar, type encode, then select the base 64 encode from the list. Next, open the notification sound that you download. Here, at the bottom, click on the Share button, and then tap on Copy. After that, go back to the Shortcuts app and click on Input. A few options will appear. Select the Clipboard option. Next, type Copy in the search bar, then select the Copy to Clipboard option. Here, tap on the Play button and the text will be added. Now, click on the Share button then, tap on Copy. After that, search for text and tap on the option from the results. Here, long press on the empty space. Now 2 options will appear, then click on Paste and tap on Done. Next, search for base 64 encode and click on the result. After that, tap on Encode and change it to Decode. Now, in the search bar, type Play Sound and tap on the result. Here, at the bottom right, tap on the Play button to check the sound. Once you are OK then, at the top right corner, click on the Done to confirm. To verify, connect your iPhone to the charger and you can listen to the custom sound. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech videos.